Alright. Today we're going to react to If This Happens Again and Again, Judge Forced to Caution Fani Willis. And of course, Fani Willis on her court hearing went absolutely crazy. And this is the woman who's trying to prosecute Trump. So it is what it is, right? Make sure you like, subscribe, do the whole thing, and let's react to Fani Willis' power trip.
Urge everyone to keep those principles in mind, starting with the fact that we won't talk over each other. And from there, we'll get through this. Ms. Merchant.
Thank you, Judge. How often did Mr. Wade visit you
Alright.
at a place where you were living between 2019 and 2021? Are you going to start with the lie that he lived with me in South Fulton in 2019? He's never been to. That's one lie you told me to die. No, Judge, I didn't ask her about that.
Ms. Merchant, I want you to ask a very precise question. I think she's saying and answering that he did not live with her, so why don't we break that up into smaller parts?
I didn't ask about living. But you put in your bid, while we're talking about professionalism, no, while we're talking about professionalism.
Oh, look at her.
3 different documents he showed me.
Can't even let the prosecutor answer. Can't let the prosecutor talk.
He's never been to South Fulton. In 2019, I lived in South Fulton. He has never been to my residence in 2019. Ever. Not once. In 2019, he's never been to your residence in any place. I lived in my home in South Fulton before I started getting the threats that were here. A house I paid for with my own sweat and tears. I'm no longer able to live there. But in 2019 I did, and in the 2 months of 2019 that I knew Mr. Wade, 3 months, the beginning of October, all of November, and all of December, Mr. Wade...
Like, come on. Wait. How does it even happen, man? Like, you get caught doing that? That's just bad, man. How do you get caught doing that?
It's like... never came to my house in 2020, let alone live with me, as you put falsely in these documents. In the first 3 months of 2021, when I could still enjoy my home, Mr. Wade never came to South Fulton, and it is certainly a lie that he lived with me. So in 2020, so you said 2019, 2020, did Mr. Wade ever visit you at a place that you He has never been to my home in South Fulton. 2020 was before I knew that a phone call was going to be made and I was going to have to abandon my home. As a result thereof, he never visited, lived at, came to, or has seen South Fulton. You qualified that with your home in South Fulton. That's where I lived in 2020. Did he ever visit you at a place that you resided? Okay. I don't understand you. In 2020, I lived in South Fulton. That's the only place I lived in.
She can't even answer a question. The prosecutor trying to ask her, did you live from 2019, 2020, etc. And she just having a breakdown.
I had to abandon my home, Judge. And at my home in South Fulton, he never came there, okay? So if you don't come someplace, you can't live there.
So that's caution. That's going to be my first time out to caution. Listen to the questions asked. And if this happens again and again, I have no choice but to strike the testimony. So
Let's do it.
Break this down. This emergency question was asking whether
Having a whole power trip. On your court hearing as well. Acting like this.
I did not live anywhere but
Like, on your court hearing. Not even, like, you can't even save your energy before.
that was before I began my prosecution of this case. And it was my plan to only live there. Did Mr. Wade ever visit you at the condo that you leased from Miss Yuri? He visited that condo, yes. He did. Yes. Did he ever spend the night at that condo? No. Just visited. Yeah, but he did visit for sure. Did you ever go out to eat together? Other than the lunches you talked about. During 2019 or 2020? I would think that we probably went to lunch, but it wouldn't have been. Let me think. 2019. I'm going to say.
Wow.
I don't know. I'm going to say we probably broke bread someplace in 2019. I don't remember it.
Alright.
Like we would have broke bread
Well,
in 2019.
that is the end of the video. Let me pause her before she starts yelling again.
Seems to be like
Alright. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, do the whole thing. Catch you tomorrow. And good luck to Fani Willis because she's going to need it. That power trip is really bad.